Oh, sure. Now they have this kind of stuff for kids. When I was 12, my summer break options were lawn mowing, getting sunburned at church camp, or seeing how long I could survive on Kool-Aid and Pop-Tarts while my parents worked. But now, today's lucky little psychos in training get to go to summer camp at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail. Yes, you heard that right. If you followed this channel for more than 5 minutes, or even accidentally clicked on my content while looking for cat videos, you already know how much I love Sir Henry's Haunted Trail in Plant City, Florida. These are the masterminds who gave us haunted Halloween events that made grown adults cry, Christmas haunts that somehow made Santa terrifying, Valentine's Day dates where you could propose or be murdered, and even a Wild West scarefest that basically turned cowboy boots into fear delivery systems. These people know what they're doing, okay? Like, scarily well. And now, they want to take all that brilliant, disturbing energy and pour it into the youth of America. Yep, they're officially teaching kids how to build nightmares from the ground up.
Yeah, so this is our second annual Sir Henry Summer Camp, and the idea came from, back when I was a kid and was able to do these summer camps, learning about special effects makeup and art and all this stuff to create something for our community that was geared towards haunted houses, because I know as a kid I would have died to be able to do something like this. So that's the inspiration. This being the second year we're doing it on site here this year in our one of our new facilities that we have. And it's a great opportunity for kids. The age group is 11 to 17 to come out, learn about haunted houses, all the different aspects that go into them. And then at the end, they work with a group within their team to create their own haunted house project that they present to the group in the camp at the end of the week.
If this had existed when I was a kid, I probably wouldn't be talking to a camera right now. Or maybe I still would, but I'd have better lighting and a fog machine going. Sir Henry's isn't just handing your kids a chainsaw and saying, "Go wild." This isn't Florida's version of daycare. This is a structured, creative, and professionally guided experience.
So they learn all kinds of different aspects about the haunted house industry and running a haunted house. So, design, storytelling, lighting, set building, special effects makeup, costuming. And these are all hands-on activities that they go through and get to do themselves, not just getting the formal education, but they actually get to put into practice what they are learning that week. We have a few guest speakers lined up, still finalizing some, but those that we already have coming are Byron Saxon from WWE. He'll be speaking on scare acting. He's a great friend of ours. He comes out and guest scare acts with us as well. We also have one of our friends who's a makeup artist at a haunt in Minnesota. Her name is Maddie. She actually did the mural that is behind me. She'll be coming and talking about airbrush makeup and special effects makeup in general. So we got a whole week of awesomeness lined up for these kids, and they get the behind the scenes exclusive of all the new things we are doing out here at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail for 2025.
The camp runs July 14th through the 18th from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. each day, just long enough for your child to learn the art of scaring someone into a dry cleaning bill without you having to pack a week's worth of Lunchables. And it's affordable. Only $80 for the entire week. And yes, that includes food. Food! That's already a win. I've paid more than that for a haunted house ticket and a stale pretzel at a theme park. Students will be split into teams where they'll design their own haunted house on a model scale. I mean, can we talk about this? They get to build a mini haunt, complete with lighting, sound, costuming, rented lips, and then present it to the class like some kind of haunted Shark Tank.
So we are in our new garage warehouse facility right now. This is where the summer camp is going to be taking place. It'll be really comfortable, have AC out of the elements for the kids. In a controlled environment where they can come in here and learn about all these different areas of the haunted house, including costuming. So we have our entire costuming set up in here so that we can show them examples of what we do, but then they'll get the hands-on experience and we get to practice these different techniques that go into creating these kinds of looks that we use for our costumes here at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail.
I swear, if I had done this as a kid, I wouldn't have had to fake a report on my summer vacation using clip art and a lie about fishing with Uncle Carl.
So one of the benefits of doing it at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail this year is that the kids will get hands-on experience into seeing what we do for our actual sets. And we also have a bigger space to where they can do bigger projects instead of the little 1x1 squares that we were doing last year in that controlled environment. So here we are inside of Trail 2, brand new remodeled Trail 2. These are some of the techniques that they'll get to learn, practice, and take home with them as they come through. This is one of our new playroom scenes inside Trail 2. A lot of crazy cool art going on in here. But this will be something they can learn from. We can show them examples, and then they can ultimately create their own art during the summer camp for them to take home as well.
Sir Henry's is doing something truly incredible here. Not just building haunts, but building confidence, creativity, and community. Honestly, this could spark a lifelong passion, or at the very least, keep them off TikTok for 5 hours a day. Registration is now open for Sir Henry's second annual summer camp, but don't wait. Spots are limited. And you know they're going to fill up faster than a fog machine on opening night.
So we're really excited for this summer camp to take place this year. The dates are July 14th through the 18th. It's a great opportunity for all these kids to come together to learn and also work together in their groups to create their own haunted house project and get all these awesome take-home experiences and learn from all these wonderful guest speakers that we have coming. So hope to see you guys there.
So sign up now at sirhenryshauntedtrail.com and prepare your child for a summer of frights, friends, and fake blood. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and stab that like button. Figuratively, not with a prop knife or anything. Subscribe to the channel for more haunted goodness, and drop a comment below telling me which part of the camp you wish you could do. Or just scream into the comments. I'll know what you mean. So until next time, stay spooky. And someone, please tell Sir Henry I want the adult version of this camp. I mean, I have snacks and trauma. So we'll see you next time.